Okay, hello people. Today I will show you how to fix bevel issue because we got another method to fix that. Sometimes when you work with polygon object, this is a German church which I created. I haven't finished it. That model has been improved because I created it in 2020, but I decided to refine. When you face bevel issue like that, not only two methods will work which I already published, because sometimes I published in my old video tutorial that you have to fix positions of normals when you use option recalculate outside. Also don't forget to add apply scale. Sometimes if this doesn't work, because I didn't publish third method before. If you still got an issue with beveling edges, there's a very cool option which will help you to fix. You can see this is not straight polygon. Sometimes your polygon is not properly flat. Then you go to mesh, clean up, make planar faces. Wait a minute. What I did before, I have to double check. Mesh clean up. Make planar faces will be working. This option fixes your polygon is no longer uneven. Mesh, clean up, make planar faces. After the third method, bevel will work properly, because you also have to consider this method when you work with polygons. I will have to double check my polygons. It looks okay, but I will deselect this. Sometimes it's not not needed. You can see how beautiful is this. Also we got like what we got here, shape. You can move backward or forward. I hope you like my video tutorial, because you have to consider if polygon is flat or uneven, because sometimes this may cause your bevel to fail. I didn't know in the past, but I did research. I just checked if this option helps or not. We can also see this polygon doesn't look okay, even after when I applied auto smooth. Let's check mesh, shading, flat faces, but we can still see artifacts. Then you go to mesh, clean up, make planar face. Actually this is only one thing which I was considering. Maybe texture should be also unwrapped. This must be probably shadow. Let's check if I can invert normals. Or also, this depends if you have lights in the scene, because my polygon looks okay, but I showed you how to fix bevel. Let's check if this polygon is okay. I will try to bevel the door of the German church. I like very much German architecture. I was thinking to go for holiday to Austria, but I have to go to Poland to get my new ID and passport, because it is valid to next year. I think it should be okay. I will show you all of my scene in a minute. Okay. Object, show hidden objects. Because this is my whole scene. It is still okay for my graphics card to render the whole scene. Because I got a GTX graphics card. I will have to go to the gym in a minute, dear people. Even if you got a GTX 1070, you still will be able to render the scene like that without problems. Of course, you have to have 8 gigabytes of video memory. I wanted to buy RTX 2080, but I haven't got the budget. I wish someone could send money to me so I could buy GTX or RTX 2080, because the new graphics card, the RTX 2080, is much faster than this one. I don't complain, I am happy what I got, because that graphics card handles 2K resolution monitor without any problems, and I have to finish my German village, and I will have to, this is brand new, this is from previous year, that one is almost 3 years old. I also created a model of the fans. This was taking a lot, this was taking ages to model, because I had to use symmetry modifier, and also I used the sculpt brush to do that. I hope you like my video tutorial and my advices, people. See you, bye.